The MS mini rail actuator incorporates a lead screw drive mechanism complemented by a high torque stepper motor, enhancing the established benefits of the mini rail system. This actuator is designed as a cost-effective and reliable solution for various linear motion applications, integrating high-performance features in a robust package. Equipped with a 42mm single-stack stepper motor, NEMA 17, providing high torque output for demanding applications. Features a 304 stainless steel screw with a PTFE coating to reduce friction and wear, enhancing the durability and reliability of the system. With fewer parts and an integral screw design for the MR20 model, this actuator requires less maintenance and is easier to manage over its lifespan. Incorporates ball bearing supports in the end blocks for added stability and performance efficiency. Uses a preloaded polyacetal anti-backlash nut to ensure smooth, precise motion and enhanced load capacity. Available in lengths up to 640mm and offers 8 different lead options, providing flexibility to meet various application requirements.